What's up, everybody? Today we have this here Samsung washer, and I have the dryer for it, but it looks like it's been leaking a little right there. But I think its main issue here is that this door will not stay shut. So let's see what's going on with that door switch. I'm not sure if there's going to be anything I can do about it. That one, I might have to buy one, but start by taking off the top here. I don't know, I need a washer hooked up because I don't have any right now. I tried hooking up one yesterday and it was not good. It's full of so much junk. It smells bad. So we'll just take this top off here. And I guess we'll unplug it too. Why not? Why not? And so there's sometimes like a little guy you can pull on these. So I don't know what is messed up with it. We're probably gonna have to take this front piece off, or maybe not. Maybe I can just take this off. Let's take that bellows off. See if we can get at it at all. I have to buy a new one here, so we're gonna take a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and I'm just gonna find the spring, which on this one is down here. I'm going to pry it that way, and then we're going to take this ring off. See that? I just kind of pulled it out of there. And then the bellows will come off, or what I call this bellows. I guess it's like a door seal. I don't know. Might be like a door seal or something here. So then I have to figure out, because it looks like this thing is engaged as if the door is closed, but the door is not closed. Take it off. Three screws there, and I don't know what the plug situation is. Okay, it looks like we've got some plugs here. Get that one off. Okay, we're 2 out of 3. What do they say? 2 out of 3 ain't bad. We're gonna have to get this thing the rest of the way off. There's like this white cover. I think in order to get the last plug out, which looks like it hooks right here, around that bit. Got another detent in here. Okay, we got those two off. We got this one right here. Is there another one? There's probably more that I can't see. Something just fell out. Okay, there's a couple there. The top is like completely off, so I don't know what is left. Okay, so, alright, there we go. Got that thing off. Let's pull this thing out. So there's the little puller I was looking for. basically this isn't like catching in. Alright everybody, we're back here on this. I got this new one here, and it looks a little different. I mean, it looks the same, but different. Like, this thing doesn't move. And this thing and the other one, see how it moves? It's like they broke this. I think this is broken and it's not actuating that correctly to undo it. So, I've got this one. It's obviously not a... I don't think it's an OEM part. Or maybe it is. I don't know. This one says Dual Mechanics. Made in Korea. Anyways, I don't know. But here's the one I got. So let's try it. So, obviously it needs to go on like that. And I'm not... This thing's got to go back on it, and I don't exactly remember how, but I guess this thing's got to be shoved out of there. If I remember correctly, so let's plug it in here first. Maybe. Okay, we got that one there. This one goes here. Got that one there, and then that one goes there. And this cover thing, I guess, goes over all of it. However, jam the whole thing back in there, all so that you won't stick your hand where it doesn't belong. Did you ever think about that? Why we have to have all this stuff? Why we can't have nice things? Some of you out there, I know some of you would just stick your hands into that spinning drum. You know what I'm saying? So they gotta have all this junk. You gotta have all this junk in here just so that you won't stick your hand in that while it's spinning. Huh? Which one of you did that? That's what I want to know. Oh, it fell off while I was gone. Can you believe that? Okay, there's that. There's that. There's that. Let's try to get this thing back on here, which is always the best part of this situation. It's like, I'm sure it's everybody's favorite part, really. Just trying to figure out how to get that thing back on. I know there's a tool, and I don't do enough of these to... I have like one of the versions of the tools, but it's not gonna work for this. We're gonna use screwdrivers and picks and stuff. Try to figure it out. Try to figure it out here. This job right here is about the funnest job. Okay, so the last one I did on this, on one of these, was really hard. It took me about a half an hour. I'm sure that there's lots of people that are way better at this than I am. You know, I make these videos, I'm no expert. I'm just trying to make my way through life without selling my soul totally to the corporate master. You know what I'm saying? I only sold half my soul to the corporate master. So I'm trying to maintain the rest of it. if I can. You know what I'm saying? Actually, that went on pretty easy. That went on pretty easy, so I don't know, but okay, there we go, you guys. Need to vacuum that out. I have to clean this tub. Okay, moment of truth now. Well, it does shut now. It does shut now. Make sure these screws are tight here. Well, it does shut. Feels like it's low. So, can I bend it? Look at that. Look at that. I bent it. Amazing.
No, brother. Might have to wait. Might have to wait until like.
What is that?
Looks like you're having fun.
So much fun.
Looks like it's cleaning day for the car, huh?
It's always cleaning day.
Oh, really? You do this every day?
Every single day. Gallons and gallons. You sprayed my drill.
Did I? Sorry.
That was my good one too. Hey, bye, kids. Let's just finish this thing off and then I can test it. Don't ever want to go back right. Alright, well, I'll test it. Thanks for watching.